Alright everybody, this is Jesse back with Iowa Audio Review. Gonna finally dig into these Sansui SP1500s. And at least, well, first thing here, we're gonna figure out what drivers are working, what's not working in this video. So if we have to get any new drivers fixed or replaced, whatever, we can get that done. And then from there move in to the crossover systems inside. We're gonna mess with these a little bit, see if they have any issues. So we'll just get started right into it here. I already got some music set to go here. Got this one hooked up first. I'm just gonna listen to it for now. See what speakers I can hear aren't working. And so far, this one's working good. Let me put my ear down here by it. Woofer seems to be alright. This mid is definitely, you can hear it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we'll tweet it with this guy though. Now we keep working. So, well, this woofer too. I'm pretty sure that woofer's working just fine. I don't hear any crackling. Let me go back here. We got these dials in the back for the mid and the high range to adjust between soft, natural, and clear. Our spring terminals seem to be fine. I mean, they're a little loose, but I think they've probably always been that way, just the way they are. So, I'm going to turn this around so we can listen, and I'm going to adjust the knobs from one to the next. I mean, you guys may not be able to hear this. You're just kind of along for the ride. I'm going to do the tweeter first. Okay, switching back and forth between the three modes on the tweeter. You can hear it change over, but it doesn't really crackle or anything, which is good. Yeah, except for the bottom one, on the soft. Normal and clear, it's fine. No, it's still working on the soft, you just can't hear it as well. And on the mid, okay, the mid on that one seems to be switching over between the three different modes just fine. So, for switching those around, the tweeters I should say, bit on soft, it seems like. They might be a little bit of a crackle there going into soft. So, I mean, either way, we're going to try and clean these if we can. Alright, we're going to switch over to this guy now. Ooh, that's much different. I don't think we got any woofer on this one. Nope, nothing. Tweeters are definitely working. That one's working. This mid's not working. I can tell both tweeters are working. I'll try the knobs on the tweeters. Oop, a little crackly there. Looking not even working on soft. Works fine on normal. Oh, yeah. Mid. Yeah, probably gonna have to clean that one too. A little bit crackly. But yeah, this woofer is definitely not working. And this midge is not working. Okie dokie. So we can put a pause on that. And let's have a look inside first.
Oh wee!
Oh wee! Mr. Poopy Butthole. If we can carefully just get underneath him. Oh yeah. Well, it doesn't look to be a connection issue. I mean, right off the hand here. Oops, you can see the crossover down there. Well, I don't know if you can, but there, where's my light? This little guy. There. There's a crossover system. But all the connections look good. Man, these things smell like a church, like an old church. What we're gonna do to just bypass the crossover. Well, first I gotta find somewhere to set this thing. Ugh. Set him right in there like that, so I can get my fingers back underneath him. Then we're going to grab this set of wires. And we're going to clamp right on directly to the woofer, see if we can just bypass the crossover. It's probably not going to want to let me set it down now. I'm going to set it right there. Reach for the mouse. And oh, well, that's nice. I guess I could say it's back feeding, not into the tweeters or anything, but into the mid. So that's how is this crossover set up? Huh. Okay. Well, either way, we're hooked directly to the woofer and it's not doing anything, so. Yeah, we're hooked directly to the woofer and got absolutely nothing. So. Okay, well in that case, this is most likely woofer is bad. Really wish they had spades on here. Let's see. Either way, this guy's probably going to have to go. I wish these were regular spades. I might be able to get some of the old solder off there because there is a spade there. And actually turn them back into spades so I can put a male-female like normal in there and then maybe solder that. So down the road, if they ever have to be replaced again, they are secure but yet removable. And Sit him down carefully so we don't scratch anything. Try this one more time, just for fun, whatever. That's going. Nada. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, well, there's our problem. Right there. Where's my light? I'm trying to get it so you guys can see this, but the lead right here is broken off. It comes through the cone here, goes down underneath the dust cap, and then down into the voice coil. So I wonder if we can. Oh, there. Man, I don't know why that would have came off. I don't know if you guys probably can't even see it. I'm sorry, but I'll try to get my hand down here. I'm doing like a POV thing here because I need both my hands. But I don't know if you can see the lead here that runs in through the cone into the voice coil has come undone. You can see this one over here. Well, I think is soldered and is still intact. This one is not. So, but when I touch it on there, oops, I'll start this over. Okay, get our light in there. Yep. I'm going to have to try and solder that. I am not getting my hopes up on that one though. We'll move on to this guy because he wasn't working either. Alright. Alright, sealed back mid-range, pretty common. He is also, runs down, right, always right here. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Oh, wonderful. The two mids are just, I don't know if you guys can see, the two mids are paralleled. Let me grab my light. If this ain't working, I might have to redo all this by holding the camera because I don't know if you guys can see anything this way. But yeah, right there. See the black and yellows come together here. The two yellows connect here, the two blacks connect here, so that these two mids are on the same filter, same crossover point, whatever. Which is whatever. In that case, I don't know. The crossover is delivering the same frequency range to both of these mids. As far as the way the mids deliver it might provide a certain sound signature, but yeah, since neither one of these mids works, I don't know. Maybe it helps them, maybe it sounds better with it. I wouldn't be surprised if you really don't even need it. But if you want it to be accurate to the way they sounded in the 70s from Sansui, this has to work, so. Alright, where's my leads? Make sure he's still on there. Try this again. Nothing, since these two are in the same, they're basically paralleled with them still working. But nothing out of him. which is not uncommon. I don't know if somebody had these things and they're just rocking out all the time, possibly underpowering them with an old amplifier. It maybe wasn't big enough. Could have caused damage to some of those drivers, particularly a mid. I've fixed quite a few speakers, maybe not a whole lot of stuff this old, but a lot of, I don't know, 80s, well, we'll say a lot of three-way big speakers, and it seems like a lot of times the mids get blown. Alright. He's no good. The other one's no good, I'm assuming for the same reason. Oh, well that doesn't help. Huh. Oh, I wonder if this lead was bad all along. Nope. Oh, that's for the nope, doesn't matter. No good. So he's gonna have to come out as well. Ugh. As far as the others, the tweeters were, as far as I could tell, were easily, I could hear them working. These guys are definitely noticeable. That woofer was definitely noticeable. Even when I turned it up on this one, didn't really get any crackling or nothing. It seemed clean and powerful. So I'm off camera. I'm going to pull them out, all the drivers out, and look at all of them and test them individually. But for this video, I just wanted to pull out the ones that weren't working, so I can notify the owner of these speakers, because he will look into getting replacements. Since there doesn't seem to be any damage to this one, I'm going to try and solder that lead back on and see if we can resurrect him. But as far as these guys, I'm going to bet these guys are toast. So oh, let me think, because I think that's all we're going to do. I'm not going to get, I don't want to make these videos so darn long. It's so hard not to make them long. In another video, we will dive into the crossovers. I'll probably have to take all these screws out, pull the whole back panel off, because trying to work on a crossover through these front holes is a real pain in the butt. So, but until next time, I don't know. Well, until next time. It's late, I'm tired, like usual. I end up having to do this crap late at night because I'm so busy during the day. And, yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back for more. Alright, laters.